oh yeah, I'm so excited kasi we will have a barter with our portable washing machine. Where's my portable washing machine? No, it's gone. Basta the likod. And I have it exchanged with an iPhone. Kilig-kilig ako kasi nandito na tayo sa Iloilo supermarket and we are waiting for the cell phone. We will meet the owner and we will have this one. Nilipat ko na siya sa likod. Yan. Yung ating portable washing machine. Hello everyone. This is the front camera of the phone that we will exchange with the portable washing machine. So how's that? Let's try if it's charging. Let's see. Ayun. Then you see my face. Ta-da! So we have our iPhone 6. We have our iPhone, the traded one, 5C, and the one I'm using now is iPhone SE. So we have one video here, another video here, and another video on this side so that in case we'll be having a shoot, 3 angles na yung ating video. Yan! So, thank you so much and Happy New Year to all of you. May we all have a wonderful 2021 this year and palayo lang kita sa mga masakit and everything. Yun nga lang, ito, yung beautiful tayo. Mask lang. Dahil marami tayong pimple marks now on my mouth. Kaya hindi ko alam kung paano ako magmumukbang dahil sa mga pimple marks ko dito sa mouth area. Well, let's see. Maybe this 2021 you'll see me beautified. Beautified! Thank you so much, ma'am, for your phone. Mama, to all of you. Subscribe sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe. Bye-bye!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong na channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo dili, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Rubeinspired!